How to hide your birthday party on Snapchat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control who can see your birthday information on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right. At this point, scroll down and tap on Birthday under the My Account section. From there, you will see your birthday details and the visibility settings. After that, uncheck the birthday visibility option to Only Me to hide your birthday from everyone on Snapchat. Once done, go back and check that your birthday is no longer visible to others on your profile. At this stage, go back to Settings and look for Privacy Controls. From here, review any other settings that may be sharing your personal details and adjust them to your preference. Finally, go back to your profile and confirm your birthday information is no longer visible to others. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide your birthday on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.